Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be a Thanksgiving get ready with me 3-in-1. So before we get into getting ready, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends.
Okay, so let's get right into getting ready because I'm always in a rush and I'm in a rush.
Okay, flower gang, like we always do, this is gonna be chit chat. It's gonna be chatty. I'm gonna try not to talk too much. I'm gonna try to move quickly because I don't want this to be like an 80-minute video. We don't want that. I'm not really sure what I'm wearing, but something I do like to do sometimes, like I'm not really sure what I want to do when it comes to my outfit, is I will go ahead and I will like do my makeup, like whatever makeup I want to do, and then like pick my outfit from that. It's so weird. So happy Thanksgiving to you guys all. Today is actually Thanksgiving while I'm doing this, so this video will be up tomorrow on Black Friday. What y'all guys getting for Black Friday? Like what y'all doing? What y'all getting? Who going shopping? I actually don't like shopping in person, so I'm not going. I'm gonna use my Fenty. So the way we do Thanksgiving in my house is like we usually, not my house, my parents' house. I don't live too far from my family. So what we do is like I'll go ahead and I'll make like a dish or two. Like it's just something that I always do. These are my Juvias Concealers that I'm using today. So I always do the mac and cheese. And this year I made the stuffing or dressing. We don't put it in our turkey because we deep fry our turkey, so we don't make it together. So I made it this year. So one thing I've actually started doing, you guys, is at least when I use this concealer, because I feel like this concealer is super wet, I'll put everything on at the same time and I don't bring it together because it's just so much product. And I'll do my contour first and then do my highlight color. Like I don't know, like for this concealer I feel like that just happens to work best. Now y'all comment down below and let me know what you're thankful for this year. I'm thankful for a lot, honestly. Thankful for my family, of course, my boyfriend, my friends, just my resilience, and just the fact that like at the end of the day, no matter what happens, like I always have a chance to make my dreams come true, and I really appreciate that. I'm thankful for my apartment. I'm thankful for like all the things that I do have, because I feel like we as human beings, we tend to, not me or not just me or not, you know, but I just feel like people in general tend to always think about what they could have and what they, you know, don't have in the moment. And I know I'm guilty of that, so I don't know if anyone else watching could be guilty of that, but I think it's important. See, it's too much product. I think it's important to, like, you know, kind of remember that even though it's some things that we want to achieve still, or some things that we struggle with or have issues with, at the end of the day, like, we do have something, you know what I'm saying? Because some people literally have less. Like, I'm sure people always say that, and even when people say that, it like seems kind of cliche, but it's like you have to think about it. Like people really do like have less than you. People really do have it worse than you, like all the time, because sometimes we need those reminders. Sometimes we get into this idea of like what it is to live a great life, but we live our lives the way that we can live our own lives, you know? So I ain't gonna get too preachy on y'all, but I just wanted to say, like, just since it's the holiday and it's about being thankful, I just wanted to say that because I feel like it's important to be thankful for what we have, you know? Show gratitude and all of that good stuff, you know? Y'all, what am I gonna do to my hair? Because I'm gonna be honest, like I know how to do cute curls, and I probably will do like wet it into like a cute ponytail. I really don't feel like doing that with my hair. I really don't feel like having it in my face. I kind of want to do like a slick back look, and I don't feel like laying it back down. I don't know, and I feel like when you do a ponytail, it hides all that. A ponytail and a hat and a dream, sis.
Period. We don't even know what we're wearing today. Period. We don't even know what we're doing today.
I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I will be back what my brows are doing. Okay, so the brows are done, and now we're gonna of course go into eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids. You know what, like I'm so sad because like I am gonna order finally the Pretty Louise bases, but I'm so sad because I couldn't get it before. They was selling out like hotcakes, honey. Alright, so I know for a fact I'm gonna go with my matte look. I'm not exactly sure what colors we're gonna use. I want to keep this look really neutral. So we're gonna do neutral shit out here. I'm gonna go in with this darkest brown that's in the palette right here. You can't see that. That darkest brown on the end. Yep, too light. I lied. I'm gonna go on with this one is in the middle right here. And we always go back and forth. Back, forth and forth. Back and forth and forth. I'm gonna go in with the lightest tan right here, just to go over that color. Give it more gradients on the brow bone. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut my crease, which I've done 1,000 million gajillion times before on camera. So I think I might just even go and come back. So I went ahead and cut my crease. That is done, honey. God, that was done, honey. I'm trying to actually brush now. It's in a goddamn rush. Like I've been done cooking and I just lollygag, and then now I'm in a rush. Like this is what my life is about. This is like that. Like, do y'all just like, if you have too much time, then it's like you take your time and then you end up late, or you just don't even know what your life be about, you just be late. Who else is like that? I'm about to go back in with that middle brown that I used on the lid, I mean on the whatever the hell that is. Then we're gonna go in with, I think I want to go in with like this cream right here. I don't know if you can see that. They got my heat on swole right now. Like it ain't even that deep. Now, so without putting more product on the brush, I'm just going to go back and forth on my lid to blend that out. I just want to, ooh, that's pretty. I like this. I wanted it to be very neutral, not too cray. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. And like you can go back and forth between the two, which is what I'm about to do because I don't want no harsh ass line on my lid. I'm gonna actually go in with one of these little tiny brushes and I'm just going to put this darkest brown on my lower lash line. Alright, so for now my eyes are done. So I'm just gonna dust off this excess powder, which has probably been sitting way too long on my face because I be OZing. Face about to be dry as hell. Alright, now it's time to go in and add some contour powder, which is, this is my Black Radiance contour palette. Okay, So now I'm gonna go in with blush, and this is my Sistar Cosmetics blush, and this is the color Deeply Flushed, and it's like a reddish with like this brown in it, and I kind of mixed the two together a little bit so it's not too red, and dust off the excess.
Kind of give me some rosiness on the cheeks, honey.
Okay. Then I'm gonna go in. I got this from my BoxyCharm box, and this was actually in my last video, and it's in front of me, but I actually really did like it, so I'm gonna use this to highlight again. This is the Becca Champagne Pop Pressed Powder thing. Yo, I don't be knowing names, but I just think this is really pretty. Which I think this was a good call to use this. It's just like so pretty. Like I really do feel like it's a pop of champagne. Like I don't know, like I just love this on me. It's just so pretty. My phone is ringing and I'm all the way in my living room. Somebody trying to get to me. Probably my family. They like, girl, where you at?
Okay, so what I'm about to go do is, hold up, I don't like the way my eyebrow look right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and do my eyeliner and lashes off camera and figure out who the hell keep calling me because they're calling me again.
Okay, so I did my lashes and eyeliner and stuff. I'm not really sure about what I'm gonna do when it comes to my lips, so that's why it's not done yet. I started combing out my hair already, and I was like, girl, you're doing a whole video. So I can't buy my spray bottle, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to comb out this hair the best way I can.
Since I cannot find my spray bottle, which would have helped this process.
This is exactly what I want. Okay, so what I'm about to go do is wet this brush. I'll be like back in like 2 seconds. Okay, so I wet my hair in the brush a little bit, and now I'm just gonna go in. I'm pulling my wig back, and that shit hurts. Like I'm pulling it off of my head. Okay, so I'm gonna wet these little ringlets so that they're little curls, and then I'm probably gonna like gel it down so you can't see my real hair, because I'm not putting this wig back down. I'm not gonna lie. You just never don't be in the mood to just like put your hair down. That's me. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna start thinking about what to wear, and I'll come back with my lips done, hair done, outfit on, I think. Guys, so this is the final look. I've decided to wear, I don't know, I just wanted to be cozy, so I'm wearing like this like striped shirt. I felt like it was, I don't know sis, and my black jeans, and I'm not sure what shoes I'm wearing yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do heels or sneakers. It'll probably be sneakers because I'm only just going to my parents' house, and I still want to be dressed down but cute, like New York dressed up. I'm totally kidding. But thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys do not gain weight, because I'm hoping I do not gain any weight, but I'm about to pig out. Period, sis. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because the flowers are so blossoming in nature.